Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Infinix mobile guys pattern lock full setting. How to set up pattern lock in Infinix mobile. Friends, you want to use pattern lock in Infinix mobile, and how to set up one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all guys subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your Infinix mobile phone setting. After on phone settings, friends, you can see this type interface in your Infinix phone device. Friends, in your Infinix phone device, friends, click here security setting. After on security setting, friends, you can see this type interface in your device. So friends, click here Infinix mobile screen lock setting. After on screen lock, friends, you can see swipe setting, pattern lock, pin lock, and password. So friends, click here pattern, next option, and friends draw pattern. And guys, your pattern should 4 dots, because friends if you use 3 dot pattern you cannot set pattern lock, so use 4 dots. Okay friends, so friends 1 2 3 4 dots complete, we can set pattern lock. Next again friends do same pattern, and friends remember your password. If you forget your password, you will have to reset your Infinix mobile. Friends, lock your screen. Friends, you want to unlock your phone, draw pattern, and you can unlock your phone. So like that friends, we can set up pattern lock in Infinix mobile. And friends, you want to change lock screen pattern, so you can change pattern lock also. Again open your phone setting. After phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your device. So when scroll it, and friends click here security setting. After security setting friends, click here screen lock. Draw your device pattern to continue, and press again click here pattern lock, and press you can set new pattern. Then draw new pattern. So friends, I will use this pattern as I will use it. Next same pattern friends, again draw, confirm, come back, and friends now you can use your Infinix mobile a new pattern. Then draw your new pattern and you can unlock your phone. And friends, if you draw old pattern you cannot unlock your phone. Draw new pattern and you can unlock phone. So like that friends, we can change pattern lock also. And friends, you don't want to use lock screen pattern, so you can remove pattern. Open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, click here security setting. After on security setting friends, click here screen lock. After on screen lock friends, you can see use your device pattern to continue. So when draw pattern again, and friends click here swipe option and remove. After remove friends, come back friends, again lock your screen. You want to unlock your Infinix mobile, friends swipe here, and friends you can unlock your phone without any pattern. Friends, you can check pattern lock is not here, swipe here, unlock phone. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends understood how to set up pattern lock.